Hello, this is Donna with DC Education. This is all things elementary education, and today's short video is from the program Let's Read Step-by-Step Lessons for Success. It is to help struggling readers. So this is part of step 3. We've done parts 1 and 2. And now we're going to do part 3, and you can use this video and slideshow any way you like to help you with your struggling reader. So as we've said, step 3 is consonant vowel combinations. And this is where the learner is going to read the consonant and short vowel sound for each of these combinations. The learning coach is to assist the learner as needed to ensure accuracy and to practice until mastery. So I'm going to go all the way up to slide 43, and we are working with one combination for each video since they are a little lengthy. Remind your learner to remember the consonant sounds x like box, box, k like cat, g like get, y like yes. Again, the ending of the consonant sounds are exaggerated just for purposes of hearing me into the microphone, but you should practice with your learner reviewing the consonant sounds. So here we go with the combinations. B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. You can also offer some words to go along with these slides, or as you and your struggling learner sound out these consonant vowel combinations, you could show them this slide Z and say zip. The more you vary it up, the better it is for the learner. Again, this is one long slideshow. If you would like it, just leave me a comment and I will send it to you. As I mentioned in parts 1 and 2, you can print them out as flashcards or just mix them up as you're showing them to the learner. Most importantly is to read each of these combinations aloud and also have the learner repeat the consonant vowel combinations and then write them in their notebook. Again, keep varying it up for mastery. And as I also noted, refer back to earlier lessons as needed to ensure that they have correct consonant and short vowel sounds. Hope this is helpful. Hope you'll consider watching further videos for step-by-step lessons for success. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.